We'll just discuss about the generation of Arabic conjugations. For example, we can see here that all of these conjugations are against the given root word noon, sad, and ra. As it was discussed earlier, that we will generate 18 different conjugations, and by combining the last two ones, it becomes 14. However, these were generated with the help of some algorithms. Now see, we want to fetch data from Quran against this particular third one, Jama Muzakkar Ghaib. Yansuruna. We will generate a simple regex pattern, and we will omit the root words noon, sad, and ra. Then following results we got from the Quran. All of these results are, I should just show a few of the results here. Uh, and obviously the simplest regex will be following for this purpose. And after analyzing the dataset, we came to know that the word yakfuluna is not there, because there is an additional of character, this one over here. It is due to some technical reasons. We are not going to discuss it here. However, now after this variation, our regex is like this one. So initially it was this one, and after one iteration we came to know that our regex is as following. With the Quranic data and having a feedback from the domain experts, we came to know that there are following are the prefix and postfixes which may be applied on this particular word, which are mentioned here. So now the idea is we will now create this data with the help of our algorithms and trained on the basis of this data. For example, only the word, whatever the root word we given, with this regex it will create variations by applying this one with all of these things, then this one with all of these things. So the Cartesian product will be obtained. It will be used for the training purpose, and then we will get data from Quran and Hadith, and we will try to find out how much accurately we can get data. As I told you earlier, so far there is a node tagger available which will tag with the help of Tashkil. So it is very basic idea, just to give you a practical example as we discussed earlier on phone. Jazakumullah khaira.